Reallocating product barcodes in AAAPOS RetailManager. This guide explains the steps to reallocate a product barcode in AAAPOS RetailManager. This feature is useful when a supplier changes the barcode of an item, or when an existing barcode clashes with a new one. It also allows for the assignment of multiple products, for example, different colors or sizes, to the same barcode. Steps to reallocate a barcode. Navigate to the admin menu on the main screen. Select the Reallocate Numbers option. This will open the Reallocate Numbers window. In the Reallocate Numbers window, find the Select Records from drop-down list. Choose Stock from the available options. In the Old Barcode field, enter the barcode that you want to reallocate. Ensure the barcode entered is the one that needs to be changed. In the New Barcode field, enter the new barcode you wish to assign to the stock item. Make sure the new barcode is not already assigned to any stock item, as this would result in a conflict. To have RetailManager automatically generate a new barcode, press F5. After entering the old and new barcodes, click Reallocate or press F10 to confirm the change. What happens after reallocation? The old barcode will be cleared from the stock item and is now available to be used for a different item. The new barcode will be assigned to the stock item as specified. Please note, this function is helpful when multiple products share the same barcode, for example, items in different colors or sizes. If you are exporting your products to your website using Web Store Manager, do not use duplicate barcodes, but instead create a separate barcode for each product. Be cautious when entering the new barcode to avoid duplicate entries. The stock section in the RetailManager video tutorials provides additional detailed instructions if needed. For further assistance, refer to the information menu, Stock, in the RetailManager video tutorials.